Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create projects in Todoist. Todoist is a popular productivity and task management tool that helps you organize tasks, manage goals and plan projects efficiently. With Todoist, you can group related tasks into projects, making it easier to track your work, personal goals or study plans in one place. And in this video I'll show you how to create a project in Todoist step by step using a laptop. So first you need to open any of the browser on a laptop, and in the top there's this search bar. Type down todoist.com and enter it. And make sure to log into your Todoist account to access your dashboard. And once you reach into this Todoist dashboard, on the left hand side we can see there's a sidebar. You'll see a section called projects. Right over here that says my projects. So you need to click on this plus icon just beside my projects menu and select add projects. Over here you can either put your project name, choose a color you want to. You can also select your view style, your workspace, your parent project if you have, and if you want to add to favorites of the project you can simply toggle on this icon as well. And you can either change your layout, your board and the calendar. Once you have filled the details, you can click on add over here and your new project will instantly appear in the project list in the sidebar right over here, and it is in favorites. And that's it. That's how you can easily create projects in Todoist using a laptop. Projects are a great way to stay organized and manage your tasks more efficiently. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to create projects in Todoist. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.